Hello everyone. So I am working on a new indie product and that is a Chrome extension, and I am going to start with why I started developing it and why it is a problem for most of the people out there, and it should be out there in the market. So have you ever got tired of reading these long articles and ever thought that could there be a way to save your time or efforts so that you can get the gist of this long article in a couple of words? So this is where the idea came from. I kept on reading some articles and it had some repetitive stuff in it. So I thought, why don't build a tool or something like that, so which summarizes this long form of text to me. And there are tools out there in the market, like you can copy this and go to ChatGPT and then paste there, and then it will summarize uh, to you. But you have to write the prompt to summarize every time you go there. But with this tool, you don't have to follow any of those steps. It will just provide you the summary of the long article that is in front of you in just a single click. So I will show you how. It is not a perfect product for now, but this is how it acts. You have to click on the summarize button, and below it will show you the gist of the whole article or the whole text that you have selected. You can see it right here. So this is what I am developing. You can see that it has some bugs. uh, Not bugs exactly, but these are some UX mistakes that I am doing. You can see that when I am selecting the text, then it is now getting highlighted here. The summarize button is appearing here, but if I would select this whole text, then you can see that it is getting shown after this part. So I want it to be accessible where uh, the user mouse is. So if I stopped here, then the most appropriate place for it to show the summarize button would be somewhere around where my mouse has stopped selecting the text, right? And after clicking summarize, you will see that it is uh, showing me the summary below, right? Some of it is getting cut, and you can see that I have to drag down, right? So this shouldn't happen. It should maybe appear on top of the text, or maybe on text which I have not highlighted. There is some space right here which is not highlighted, so it can show it here, instead of always showing it down there. If it is a long test, then it could turn out to be problematic. I will show you how. Let's select these for now, and you can see that the user won't be able to see any summarize button as of now. If the user knows, if it is an old user, then he knows that the summarize button is going to be on top. But for a new user, it is going to be a problem. He won't know like where is the summarize button. He would have to scroll on the top and then go to that summarize button, then click it, and for summary he would have to scroll down, which in case is not appearing. So we will try clicking it again and let's see if it appears. Still not there. Let's click it one or two more times. Summarize and summarize. Nothing here. So the product is quite buggy for now, but it works. The summary it gives is, I think, pretty good, and it can work on also long form of text, and the UX needs to be taken care of. And I will be using some sort of ML model in backend for this, so cost would be there, and I would have to eventually create some sort of free tier, and after that I will be also launching a premium tier where users can pay and unlock more features, or like more bandwidth, where they can summarize more amount of text. So this is the idea, and this is what I am developing right now, and this is what I am going to pursue. I have already started the development. You can see that I haven't named it yet. I am just simply writing highlight to summarize, and version 1.0 highlight text on the web page to generate a summary using the OpenAI API. I am using this API right now, but I may change. I think there are other AI agents too, like Gemini and Grok. So I don't uh, have any idea about Grok having any API, or I will take a cost comparison between some AI agents, because summarizing is going to be not so of a specific task. It is a general task, and most of the models would turn out to be same performance wise. So I am going to be choosing the one which provides me more with less cost, right? So that it is pocket friendly for me, and at last it turns out to be pocket friendly for the user too. So this is it for now, and we will continue this series, and maybe in upcoming week, or in next 2 weeks we will be completing this. Then we will be spending some time on marketing, and then we will be done with this product. Bye.